Hi guys, and welcome to Thobor's YouTube channel.
I am Tutorialul, the team captain, and me and Thobor are your hosts. So, today I will show you how to download and install all the softwares that you need for your FTC project. So, you will need Android Studio as a main programming soft, the project with some examples given by the FTC developers, and the FTC driver station APK that you will need for your Android. We will start with the Android Studio. So, open a browser file and type in the address bar the link which you will find in the description down below. Click on the download button and wait for the installer to download. Once downloaded, run the installer and let it install hitting yes on the admin permission panel. Now the install will begin. Click next and make sure to have this checkbox checked. Next, I want to install the program in a different file, and I will go for main storage, applications, and I will make a new folder called Android Studio. Android Studio. Oops, alright. Next, do not create shortcuts and hit install. Now, your software will install. Let the install go on until it will be finished. Now, click Next, uncheck this checkbox and click Finish. Your installation is complete. Now, we will go for the FTC SDK project on GitHub. So, open a browser file and type in the address bar the link which you will find in the description down below. Scroll down until you will find version 2.2.1. Here, click on the download link where it says source code zip. Select desktop and click save. Now, your download will begin. Wait until it will finish. Now, click here and select open in file. Right-click on the newly downloaded archive and select the option Extract to FTC_app 2.2.1. This is a project with some samples that the FTC developers created for us just to help us understand better Java. Now, open up Android Studio. This is the welcoming screen of Android Studio. It should look something like this. Now, click Import and browse for your project that you have already downloaded from GitHub. Now we will wait so that Android Studio will import this project into its own editor. Now, in the Android Studio interface, you have a panel in the left side of your screen with two folders: FTC Robot Controller and Team Code. In the Robot Controller folder, you will find more folders, and inside the Java folder external.samples you will find the examples that I already told you about. Those samples you can copy them and paste them in the team code folder where your team will put the code. Now, open back your GitHub page and download the ftcdriverstation.apk and save it on desktop. Now, plug in to the USB port your phone and copy the ftcdriverstation.apk to phone memory. Now, on your phone, go to All Application, My Files, All Files, and install the ftc driverstation release.apk. Now you finished to install everything. So, are you excited about the next video? Stay tuned for our next tutorial where we will explain you about different types of programming.